Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis many times in the past, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, those levels still pertain, they're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas is definitely $2.50 down here. The ideal level of support, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? That would be if the price can stay up there above the pink line there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. With that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that level, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that would definitely be the best case. But again, not the end of the world or anything like that, because not only do you have the 250 mark down here as support, you also have the purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. And the key dynamic there is, just based on the word moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. And that really makes life easiest in terms of judging the health of the overall move. This right here I'm defining as the move, meaning as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what's being represented. Yeah, staying above, again, that pink line up there would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above the purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? As far as where sellers are at, let's actually go back a bit in the chart's history here. Next key level with the breakout is going to be right up here at, about $2.70. And this is just coming from back here in the portion of the chart. You can see general area of price congestion right around 270. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. But no doubt about it, you look down here at the volume. Nice, kick up in volume here. Nice breakout. Now it's just a question of can the bulls start to build upon this breakout that much further? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.